Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video I will show you Instagram Reels rotate problem and also half black screen on your iPhone and Android. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram Reels rotate problem and also half black screen show on iPhone and Android. Now the user's question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android. Now before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this video I give you perfect solutions for fixing this issue. One of my subscribers sent me some photos about the Instagram Reels rotate problem show on your iPhone and Android. When they see Instagram Reels that time the rotate problem show and also half black screen problem show on my iPhone and Android devices. So guys, how to fix this issue with the perfect solution? Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android device. Now second thing is find out the Instagram applications and press and hold. Now you can see also last option is uninstall. Now please make sure uninstall these applications from your iPhone and Android. Once the Instagram is uninstalled, now open the any browser like Safari or Chrome browser. Now I will open the Chrome browser and top corner search bar. In search bar search all Instagram versions of iPhone and Android. When the search is done, now you can see also this type interface show on your iPhone and Android devices. Now you can see also first website is androidapkfree.com. This link I give you on my descriptions box. So guys, please make sure copy and paste in browser and open it. In this website you can see also lot of versions available. Now please scroll down and find out the 26 December 2021. This perfect Instagram version for the fixing this rotate problem on your iPhone and Android devices. Now find out it. Now tap on it. Now skip the ad. After you can see also download APK options available. Now please make sure tap on it. Once the download and install option is completed, now open the Instagram applications. Now log in your account. After you can easily see the Reels without rotations problem on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem. Thank you so much.